In this video we're going to be looking at how we can connect some of the accessories to the ezCan. You don't need a lot. Wire stripper, the wires from the ezCan, some heat shrink, and some, for me, heat shrink with the added solder inside. Makes it a lot cleaner. Outside of that you need a lighter and your accessory wire. This one is normally wired directly to the battery. It's got its fuse in it, and then you'd normally connect your accessory here. ezCan has a fuse already wired to it, so I'm going to actually trim this wire down. So taking off the fuse, so then I'm left with the wiring that can go to the vest. The real purpose of this is bringing these two wires together. What does it look like and how do we do it? The wiring from the ezCan is already prepared. The wire just slips off for you. We're going to bring those two wires together with these two wires. Strip them apart. Take about 5mm off each one. Now the main bit is bringing these two wires together. Your positive with positive, negative with negative. On my accessories, the wire that's positive is the one with the text. What I'm going to do in this case is put the heat shrink tube on first. It will become a hardened wire afterwards. I like to keep it nice and tidy. Just get that out of the way and forget about it for a few minutes. Then you're bringing your positive wire and your positive wire together. I like to use these. They're a handy piece of kit. It's a heat shrink with the solder already in place in the middle. When you heat them up, the heat shrink will tighten, hold the wires in place, and the solder will act as a conduit, bring the two wires together. Just bring it in up to the solder, and the same with your positive wire from the ezCan. You want them overlapping nice and snug in the middle. And when you have that done, this is where you bring the heat into it. Some people will use various different items. I like to use a lighter. You can use a heat gun if you wish, but I haven't got one at hand. Heat it up, let it tighten, and that will hold everything in place. Let it cool down and it'll go hard to the touch. All you're going to do is repeat the process again. You want the wires overlapping as best you can in the middle where that solder is. Once you get it in place, you just heat it up. Move it slowly up and down as it starts to tighten. It's done, you'll end up with the wires looking like this. Now with everything cooled down, the purpose of putting the black heat shrink on was to just make things tidy when we're finished. So just slide her over everything. Then you're going to heat this one again. Just make it look nice and tidy. There you have it. It's ready to go into the ezCan unit.